you cannot be consistent. It's not you, it's your system. Want to know how? Stay with me. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. Ever started a workout routine, stretching plan, or trying hard to be productive, only to quit after a few days? You are not alone. You set goals but you lose motivation. You start strong but fall off track. You know what to do, but somehow you just cannot stay consistent. Want to know the truth? Motivation is not the problem, your system is. Let's break down why consistency is so hard and how to finally stick to your habits for better health, productivity, and well being. Let's see why do we struggle to stay consistent. But if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Let's see. Many people say, I'll start working out. I want to be more productive. I will start studying now. It sounds good, but your brain needs clarity to stay on track. Without a clear plan, it's easy to procrastinate. Fix it with SMART goals. It means your goals should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound. For example, instead of saying I'll start exercising, say I'll stretch for 10 minutes every morning. I'll walk for 30 minutes 4 to 5 times a week. But even with clear goals, many people still struggle. Want to know why? You rely on motivation too much. That fades quickly. At first, you are excited, but after a few days, your energy drops. Life gets busy and suddenly your new habit is forgotten. Fix it with a habit system. Instead of relying on motivation, reduce friction. Means if you want to stretch in the morning, lay out your yoga mat the night before. Want focused work time, put your phone in another room or turn off your notifications. Want to walk after dinner? Keep your walking shoes by the door. Pro tip. Start with just 2 minutes of the habit. Once it's easy, you'll naturally do more. But even the best system won't work if you don't make your habits a part of your daily life. It means the third reason in failing in consistency is you don't have a routine. Without a set time and place, new habits easily get pushed aside. Fix it with habit stacking. Attach a new habit to one you already do. For example, for better posture, do shoulder rolls whenever you stand up from your desk. For hydration, drink a glass of water before every meal. As a physiotherapist and productivity enthusiast, I recommend focusing on small daily habits rather than drastic lifestyle changes. But there is another reason people quit too soon. You expect quick results. Many people quit because they don't see instant results, whether it's weight loss, pain relief, or productivity. Fix it by tracking small improvements. Like healing takes time. Your back pain did not develop overnight, and it won't disappear overnight either. Instead of expecting instant relief, track small wins like less pain, more flexibility, or better strength. Long term progress comes from small, consistent efforts, not quick fixes. And if no one is holding you accountable, staying on track becomes even harder. So, the fifth reason might be that you have no accountability. If no one checks in you, it's easy to skip workouts, avoid stretching, and delaying rehab. Fix it by creating accountability. For example, join a community of people with similar goals. Use a fitness tracker or planner. Tell a friend or your partner about your goals. But even with accountability, habits won't stick if they feel like a chore. So, if your habits feels boring or forced, then your brain will resist it. Like fix it by making habits enjoyable. Listen to podcasts during workout. Reward yourself after a week of consistency. When habits feel rewarding, they become effortless. Seventh reason might be you have an all or nothing mindset. I missed one day. Now I have failed. This perfectionist mindset leads to giving up completely. Fix it by embracing flexibility. Skip the morning stretches, do them in the evening instead of waiting for tomorrow. Follow the 2-day rule. Never skip more than 2 days in a row. Let's summarize it. How to stay consistent with healthy habits. Set clear, specific goals. Create a system to reduce effort. Track progress. Find accountability. Make it fun and be flexible. Remember, consistency is not about superhuman motivation. It's about smart system, small daily actions, and patience with yourself. Start small, remove resistance, and build habits that actually fit your life. What's one habit you struggle to stay consistent with? If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe.